What's going on, guys? Matt over here with Lethal Garage, and today I am finally taking a peek at my open air element catch can breather, whatever you want to call it. So we haven't taken off this car. We were actually going to do it before I went to Camaro Fest. That was back in July, and we didn't do it. And now I got all sorts of smoke coming out. I think it's full, so let's find out. Or it's either full or my car's just burning more oil. Yeah, all right, let's do it. Okay, now with my wheel off, I do have the Z01 add-ons rock guard. There's a couple of clips holding it in place along with a push pin, so I gotta pull that. And then I need to peel back the inner fender liner. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And there she is. I have the can basically removed, and you can hear it. There is fluid in there. So we'll go ahead and drain that out and see how much there is. That's interesting. That is definitely an interesting fluid mixture. Now it's just putting the can back and screwing it all back together. Not too difficult. All back together again. I just gotta get the wheels on. Alrighty then, now that we got it all assembled, what is actually in this? So if you guys are wondering, this is a mixture of probably a little bit of oil, fuel, and water. So because it's an open element, there's a lot more condensation that does get in the line, it does get captured in the can. Obviously fuel and blow-by get stuck in this along with oil vapors that then break down into probably what's making this water a little brown. But it's mostly water. Maybe, I don't know what the mixture of water to fuel is, but it was pretty full. So the can was smoking. I think it was basically the water was turning into steam and smoke, and yeah, it wasn't pretty. So that was why I went down there and changed it, and I'm glad I did. Now I got a nice empty can, and we're good to go again. But there you have it. I have changed my open element setup. We're good to go. Now it's time for a lot more miles in drag racing. Actually, probably won't be putting nearly as many miles on this car because it will basically be going to car shows and drag racing only now. So yeah, that's that. Thanks for checking out the video, guys. And if you guys aren't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Likes, comments, shares are appreciated. But until next time, I'll see you on the road.